You want to tell us where we are?
Well, I don't know exactly where we are.
Yep. Huh.
We're in the Hoosier National Forest, or we're in a national forest. That's all I know.
Well, we're in O'Bannon State Park.
O'Bannon State Park.
Yeah, falafel mix.
Falafel.
Now, there's all kinds of this, but that's what we're doing. If you don't know anything about this, you're not alone. I don't either. Neither does
I'm
Grandaddy.
sure it's gonna be delicious.
Neither does Grandaddy.
I'm sure
So here's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna try to cook this, but there's a 20-minute. So I'll read what it says. Add 1 cup of falafel mix to 3/4 cups of cold water. Mix well. Let it rest for a half hour.
Oh, great.
Yeah, mixture should be firm but able to hold its shape when formed into a ball. Heat in vegetable oil in a large skillet. Let's get it going. So we've got our falafel mix in here, and it's been sitting here. What do you think? It's been 10 minutes?
20. Been about 20 minutes?
Has it been 20 minutes?
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Okay, well, that's what we'll do. We'll go with it. So we got our falafel mix in there. Now, we're going to have to make a sauce. This is the zucchini. It didn't come out the way that it should have been a cucumber, but I was rushing and I screwed up.
That's okay.
I think it'll be okay. What I need you to do
Yeah.
here is, I've got a blade in here somewhere, right here. In fact, I'll take care of this. I'll cut this as fine as I can, but there's an orange container somewhere, if you can find it for me, right over there. So this should be a cucumber, but it's obviously not, and that's okay. We are gonna make it happen. Go ahead and chop this up fine. It's okay if you use the same spoon, but I'll need a couple dollops of that. Now that's yogurt. That's just regular yogurt. Nothing special about it. What I'm doing here is I'm chopping this up. Now pretend that this is a cucumber, and everything will be just hunky-dory. Unfortunately, it's not. Thanks to yours truly. It'll still be great. So I want to chop this up real fine.
That too big?
No, I'd say 3 of those.
How many?
Probably 3. So we've got.
Is that it? For
That's
this?
it. That's it. Yep. We got. What is that you just put in there?
Yogurt.
You got it.
Yogurt?
Yep. Yogurt is okay if you could.
Yeah. Do what?
Well.
You gotta mix it with this?
Nope.
Mix it with that?
Nah. Nope. You got some dill there.
Yeah.
We need a little bit of that.
A little bit of deal. How much?
Put some in there. I'll tell you. That's probably good right there. I think. I really don't know. But what I'm doing here is I'm chopping this up
Yeah.
pretty fine. I'm sure this will still be great.
Oh, yeah. You don't use, is that all you use?
What do you mean?
Well, that's not, but about a fourth of it or so.
Yeah, that'd be all right. Now, if you could stir that up.
Okay.
I know it's hard to see in here, but here's what we're doing. We've got coconut oil, falafel mix. Our falafel mix set up. How long do you think I'd set up, Grandaddy?
It's been 25 minutes,
Yeah.
I'd say.
That's about what I'd say.
Yeah.
25 minutes. So it should be good. You want to, what you do here
Yeah.
for your falafel mix is you kind of,
Put in a ball.
yeah,
Like
and then you put it on there and it's a burger.
oh,
Make a patty out
how
of it.
many you make?
Well, we're going to make,
All there is.
yeah, I don't know about all there is, but this needs to be hotter. So this needs to be frying.
Okay.
That looks great. Now just keep it all together. Make you a patty. You know, one thing that I've found, Grandaddy,
What's
a
that?
lot of cooking, a lot of things about cooking is about presentation. You notice?
About presentation?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure that's pretty important.
Seems like food that looks good always tastes good. Did you flip it right over on? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I just flipped that one.
Yeah, I know, but you put it right on that coconut. It's fine. Whatever. That's about what it looks like, folks. We've been cooking these falafels for some time, and it's just like a burger. Real simple. But you do want to cook these through. Now, what I've done here is I've devised a plate. Basically, this is artisan lettuce. There's just fancy. That's a term for fancy lettuce. It's not anything great. It's not anything spectacular. You got these at your grocery, I'm sure. But you can see I'm putting two patties on there, on this bed of lettuce here. And this is a tzatziki sauce. Now, not tzatziki, pimini. You guys will probably know this better than me. Anyway, I looked it up and found this, and I'll write the name of it down there. I don't remember it at the time, this very time. But it is pretty tasty. And it's very simple. All it is yogurt, diced up real fine cucumber, and dill and salt and pepper. Super simple. So there's that. And basically, really all I'm trying to do is fry these up to where they're kind of crispy on the bottom. And they're almost done. Just about done, so. Use that one.
Great.
I'll use this. Yeah, does look good. So you got falafel and then you got this, some kind of sauce that I made. Well, you made it actually.
Good.
Man, that is good. Wow. Yogurt, cucumber, and dill for the sauce.
Tasty. Very good.
The sauce is what makes it, I think.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Mm. This is excellent, Renee.
It's good.
Very good. Wow. I'm quite surprised that I cooked this.
That fazoli is good, isn't it?
The what?
The fazoli or whatever it is.
Falafel.
Rafa. Good. I like it.